Hey everybody, I'm Leon. Welcome to a new video. I make content every day focused on video production, making money online, tutorials and business. So if those are your interests, then be sure to subscribe with notifications on. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create speed bumps in Premiere Pro. So without any further hesitation, let's jump into it.
I'm going to select these two clips and drop them into a new sequence, and then I'm going to expand video track 1 quite a lot so that we can see the speed graph. We're going to right click on this effects icon and go to time remapping speed, and we're going to do that with the second clip as well. And right now the line that we are looking at is actually the speed graph, and it is a flat line because we're working with two clips that are playing at their regular speed, which is 100%. You're going to hit P on your keyboard to select the pen tool, and you're going to find the point at which you want your transition to start. So that is right here. I'm going to set a point, then I'm going to go to the second clip, and I want the transition to end right before this sun glare. So I'm going to set my point right here, and then I'm going to press V on my keyboard to switch back to the regular selection tool. Now, before I start speeding up this footage, I'm going to go into File, Project Settings, and then General. And I'm going to change my renderer to software only, because when you're using speed ramping in Premiere Pro, sometimes frame drops or similar issues occur, which make it really hard to edit your videos. So even if you have a GPU capable of using these other engines, I recommend you set it to software only. And now we're going to change the speed of the clips. You're going to drag this line up and you're going to see the value increasing. I recommend that you use somewhere between 400 and 800% for this transition. So I'm going to use roughly around 600 for both of my clips. And as you can see, the timeline has changed because we have been speeding up these two clips. Now we're going to drag this point out. So if you didn't see that, you click right here and then you drag it out to create a ramp. Now this ramp is not curved at all, so to curve it, you click on these handles and then you drag them out as well. So with the first clip, I like to make a steep ramp which changes the value smoothly from 100% to 600%. And then I'm going to do the same thing with the second clip, only this time I'm going to make the ramp a bit more gradual, going from 600 to 100%. So as you can see, the first ramp that I have is a bit steeper than the second one. So what I do now is I trim the first clip so that it ends when this speed ramp takes the value to 600. And then I trim the second one so that it starts as the ramp is taking the value from 600 back to 100 again. And as you can see, I can delete the gap by selecting it and pressing delete. And now this is what we have. So now I can play this back to see how it looks and if I'm happy with it.
Okay everyone, so that is how you create speed ramps in Premiere Pro. If this video is of value to you, then be sure to subscribe with those notifications turned on for more videos. Leave a thumbs up and share the video to help it rank in search results and help the channel grow. And if you have any questions or feedback for me, then be sure to leave them down below or pop me a message at leonofficial_17. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Take care everybody.